Last fall, a young lady in my morning class, Shakora Otis, was feeling very bad that the young man had gotten hurt in the football game. And there was a lot of media coverage about it. So I said, well, you know, Shakora, one of the things we do is build wheelchair ramps. So why don't you contact Wilson, because I'm sure they're still in touch with the family, and just volunteer our help. So that's what she did. She got on the phone with Wilson. Took her a couple of phone calls to get in touch with the right people. So we were able to secure some donations for the materials. And by the time the materials got here, we only had just a few days to get the ramp built. The ramp ended up being about 35 feet long altogether. It was built in 3 different sections here in my shop. They first had to build a platform that was halfway between the height of the doorway and the ground level. And from that platform, they then constructed a ramp. They had to do various layout methods to determine the angle of where it met the house and where it met the ramp. And then they had to do the same thing from the landing. They had to do the same thing as far as constructing the angles and layout from the landing then down to the ground level. Once they had the main frame done, then they had to put the planking on, they had to build handrails, and they also had to keep in mind how to get the darn thing apart once it was assembled so that we could deliver it, because it would have been much too heavy to move in one piece. After first pre-building it here and then disassembling it, we had the city school district truck that came and picked up all the materials. We took it over to the site, and about 25 different students worked together both here and there to build it. And that's how it came together. It was a great project. The kids really enjoyed it, and I think they enjoyed the fact that they were helping out another young man.